Buenos tardes, amigos. Welcome to Chappie's Tiki Bar. We got an excellent episode today. Today, for Appies with Chappie by the Lake, we're going to do some Crab Rangoon, which is a tiki bar favorite amongst the earlier tiki bars, most notably Trader Vic's. First up, we're going to make a drink. Make sure you stay till the end of this upload where I'm reunited with my little Chihuahua Mookie. So for our drink to go with our appetizer, I'm going to do a Raspberry Sangria. And I actually found some berry wine, which will go nicely. So we'll just do the full bottle of wine. This is actually an Italian rosé and it says Stella Berry. Okay, and then I got a whole whack of cut up oranges. Got some frozen strawberries. Some frozen raspberries, and then earlier I took some raspberry nectar and I froze it in my little mashed potato container, and I made a little brick of block of raspberry ice so the ice doesn't dilute the sangria. Now, if you don't want to do that, just add the ice into the glasses, but don't put ice into a sangria jug because it'll just dilute it. All right, and then I'm gonna go 2 ounces of raspberry liqueur. It seems the murder hornets are honing in on my raspberry sangria. And then we'll go an ounce of lime juice. And then I'll probably do about a cup of raspberry juice. This raspberry juice is quite tart, so I made some raspberry simple syrup. I did 1 part sugar, 1 part water. I put some fresh raspberries in. I mashed it up a bit to release the flavor and the color, and then I strained the raspberries out. So I got a whole cup here. I'll probably just do 1/3 of a cup of the simple syrup, just to sweeten it up. And then we'll just finish it off with a little bit of red wine. I got some nice dry Chianti today. And I'll probably serve these in daiquiri or margarita glasses. I'll fill that up full of ice as well. And that's my raspberry sangria to go with my Crab Rangoon. So see here how I made my Crab Rangoon. All right, so I'm going to do my Crab Rangoon. Traditionally, it's done with cream cheese. I got some nice mascarpone cheese, and you can see on the front here that it is used for mostly tiramisu. It's a high-fat cheese. You can see it's 22 grams of fat. So it's pretty neutral though, so I think I'll add a little bit of mayonnaise and loosen it up because it's kind of thick too. All right, so, and then the measurements, you can just, I guess it depends on how many Crab Rangoon dumplings you're gonna make. All right, and I'm gonna do a big helping of mayonnaise. I got some fresh scallions. And then I'm gonna add a little bit of Asian flavor, a little bit of soy sauce, and I'm gonna with a little bit of oyster sauce today. You could put sesame oil in there, but I find it super overpowering. So if you're gonna put sesame oil in, just do a little droplet. Okay, and I saved the crab to last. You can see it's lumped crab, so we don't want to get too rough with it. You just want to fold it in. I drained most of the liquid out. A little liquid is going to help loosen it up a little bit. Make sure you take the paper out. And I'm just going to gently fold that in. All right, I'll go get my wonton wrappers. All right, I got my wonton wrappers. It's important to get square ones if you want to fold them the way I'm going to fold them. And these are nice big square ones. All right, and then I saw John on Food Wishes when he wets the wonton, he just wets the whole thing. When I do dumplings, I've just been doing like the edges and the corners, but we'll do it. John pretty much knows what he's doing, so I'll do it his way. And here we go. So don't put too much filling in, or it's not going to work. So we want to get all the corners together, but the first fold, do not press it together. So we want to go like thusly, and then pull it all together. And that is perfect. I could probably go a little more filling. I didn't want to overdo it on the first one. Let's do another go at it. Okay, we'll go a little bigger scoop this time. Whoop. All right. Not too much though. All right, so the fold, but not press, and then bring it all together. Okay, and then we want to press it nice and tight. We're gonna want it nicely sealed because we're gonna deep fry these puppies. All right, that's a big fat one. We'll see if it holds together in the fryer. Yeah, we'll do the whole. All right, here we go. All right, I'm getting pretty good at these things. Aloha, welcome to Appies with Chappie by the Lake. So I got my Raspberry Sangria. Just gonna pour myself a glass here. And my Crab Rangoon turned out pretty darn good. Thanks for watching another episode of Chappie's Tiki Bar. Make sure you hit that notification bell. This is Chappie saying life is hard. That's just the way it goes, but sometimes it goes the other way. See you next time on Chappie's Tiki Bar.
Hello.
Hello. Is he going to be able to lift all those?
So, my friend, you went to off.
Just a cerveza and a Coca-Cola for here.